So hi guys, welcome back. So in my last video I have shown you how to start the EC2 instance by using the AWS Lambda. So here we will be focusing on how to stop the instances by using the Lambda function. So you can see here already there is one instance which is in running state. So our concept is to bring the instance state to stop. So quickly let's create one Lambda function. So I will be searching Lambda. So click it. Okay. So I will be creating a new function. So click on the create function. Okay, same author from the scratch we will do. So here I will be giving the name EC2 stop function. Okay. So runtime I will be using Python. So simply click on the create function. Let's wait until it gets created. Okay, finally our function is created, EC2 stop function. So first we will be going to our code. Okay. So just delete this. Okay. So I have a code ready in my notepad. So this code I will be adding in my description, so you can copy paste from there. So I will copy from here. Let's paste it. So okay. So okay. Where is my AWS EC2 is created? That is in Mumbai region. So nothing but as I said in last video, this is the our region code. So we have to copy it and paste over here. So next comes instance ID. So instance ID we will get from the EC2 instance. Just go here, click on this. Okay, so this is our instance ID. Copy it and just paste it. We have pasted our instance ID. Now EC2, so connect to the EC2, then stop the instance. So we have used here EC2 stop instance, this instance ID. This instance ID will be fetched from here. Let's deploy it. Okay, it is deployed. Last time I have said, whenever you create one EC2 instance, there will be a default IAM role created, and it has only a basic Lambda execution permission. So we have to add EC2 full permission. So let's go to permissions, click on the role. Just add one more permission, attach policies. So here search for the EC2 full permission. Okay. Just give add permission. Okay, so here Amazon EC2 full access permission is there. Okay, just go back to the EC2 function. Now one more thing I have said in my last video, that here general configuration, by default it will be the 3 second. We have to increase it. So in our case we will just do 30 seconds is more than enough. So just save it. It is saved. Now let's test it. So code is here, deploying part is here, test is here. So you can see first our instance state is in running. We will be going to stop it by triggering our Lambda function. So let's click on test, create one new event. So I will be gonna name it as test and save it. It is saved now. So let's test it. I'll be clicking on test and we can see the output here. See, it says status succeeded. Means our instance should be stopped now. Let's check. So it is in running state. Let's refresh this. Okay, it's going to the stopping status. So our function code is working properly. So this is how we are going to stop our EC2 instance by using the Lambda function. So in my next video, I will be covering how to start and stop the EC2 instance by using AWS Lambda and also using the AWS event-based scheduler. Event-based scheduler is nothing but scheduling a time. So whenever in your absence, this event scheduler will be doing its job. Even though you are not able to work on this, it will stop and start the EC2 instance. So stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. Bye.